Imagine your organization teetering on the edge of a PR disaster, conflicting messages flying internally, journalists demanding answers, and stakeholders losing trust by the second. The Crisis Communication Pack stops chaos before it spreads. We're talking AI powered response frameworks that auto generate scenario specific playbooks, 10 plus customizable messaging templates for breaches, layoffs, and viral scandals, media engagement protocols with spokesperson training modules, and real time reputation monitoring that tracks sentiment shifts across 50 plus platforms. This isn't just crisis control, it's your emergency room for the digital age. Designed for corporate communications directors, PR leads, and brand guardians who'd rather not spend their nights Googling how to apologize to the internet. Here's what's inside the Crisis Communication Pack. Start with the AI-driven scenario generator. Feed it your crisis type and watch it build response frameworks with branching decision trees. Dive into our template library with pre-built narratives for product recalls, executive misconduct, and natural disasters. Our media protocols module includes spokesperson scripts and camera-ready training simulations. The real-time dashboard tracks sentiment shifts, influencer narratives, and dark web chatter. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't a toolkit. It's your 24/7 crisis task force in a terminal. Installing the Crisis Communication Pack takes one command. npx quanta-skills add Crisis Communication Pack. That's it. You'll download the full workflow: scenario generator, template engine, media protocol databases, and the sentiment dashboard's API integrations. Your next Claude code session picks up the pack automatically. Your AI assistant now understands crisis taxonomy, and your team gets instant access to battle-tested response frameworks. No duct tape, no frantic midnight calls. Just type deploy crisis protocol and watch the chaos quiet down. Welcome to stress-free crisis management, where your reputation goes to survive.